Like you should be in your EDA process, and throughout that process, like the questions will just kind of like appear, right? They will appear in the sense of, oh wow, most of our sales happen at night. When did that start happening? Or why is that, right? Well, why are most of your sales at night, right? Or you might start looking at EDA with a new focus on seasonality, right? Well, why are most of our sales happening in the summer and not in the fall? So if you're doing your EDA right, those questions should come up. Like at some point, Joseph, like you shouldn't even have to ask them. Like the data will like surface these questions that will come up. And a lot of them will also be with biases, right? Because coming back to my previous example, you might come up where you can tell the business and go back to them and say, you thought that most of your sales were to people ages 30 to 45, but we're seeing a new trend here, and that trend started 3 months ago because we also did a time series analysis on, right? Like it just kind of like one question leads to another, right? So that's my view on questions, and it served me well in my career because it's also a good indicator that you're on the right track, right? Like your process is on the right track. So I hope that helps you, Joseph. Okay.